chhena poda. With a small twist, I am using mango pulp as this is a summer का सीजन है तो मैंगो सभी के घर पे होता है. So I am using mango to make my chhena poda. So let's get started. The ingredients which we need to make chhena poda: rava, semolina, and then sugar, desi ghee, mango pulp, some dry fruits, a cardamom powder. I have just crushed it, and then vinegar to make chhena. You can use lemon also. And the main ingredients, milk. Here I have taken 1 liter of full fat milk. Once the milk is start boiling, I'll just switch off the flame, and then I'll be using vinegar, and then I'll make chhena out of it. Now as you can see that my milk is boiling, I'm going to switch off my flame and let it cool for 5 minutes. Not more than that, because I want my chhena to be very soft and not hard. So here I am adding vinegar till I start seeing the chhena out of it. So here you can see that now my chhena is ready. So now I'll just transfer this to my muslin cloth. Okay, so here my chhena is ready. I will not throw this water, as in this water there is whey protein which is very healthy for us. I'll just rinse this chhena once, so that if any sourness is there then it will get removed. I'll drain the excess water out of it, and then we will proceed further. So now from 1 liter of milk I got this much of chhena. You can get more also or less also. It depends on the milk which you are using. So now I will add 3 tablespoons of rava, that is semolina, into this, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar. I don't like much sugar, so that's why I'm adding a little less. You can add more also as you want. And now I'm going to add cardamom powder. I have taken 5 cardamom, and I have just finely crushed this. Now I am using some nuts. I am using almond, cashew, and raisins. You can use any dry fruit that you want. I'll just mix it once. Now I'll add crushed mango, and 2 teaspoons of ghee. I'll just mix it once. So I'm just mashing it once, because the chhena dough is not very soft and not very hard. It should be some flowy consistency. So if I require more water, then I'll use this water which I have got after removing the chhena. So I think I require some more water, so I'm just using this now. So today I am baking this chhena poda in my pressure cooker, and I am using salt in the bottom. As I have used this salt many times for baking, so now the color is brown. So I just preheat my pressure cooker for 15 minutes in medium flame, and then I will bake my chhena poda for about 40 minutes or until it gets cooked in low flame. So here I have greased this aluminium utensil, and now my pressure cooker is already heated up. You should not use any gasket or whistle. Placing this stand into my pressure cooker so that this chhena will cook evenly and it will not burn. So now I have kept the flame low and I will cook it for 35 or 40 minutes. Been 40 minutes, and now my chhena poda is also ready. So demold it now. Chhena poda and now I will just garnish it with some mango. My yummy delicious chhena podo is ready. I have used mango also in this, so hope you all like this. I have cut this chhena podo and now see, this is so soft and this is yellow in color because I have used mango. If you will not use mango, then it will be in white in color.